Good morning, children. In this session, I am going to explain one more important concept that is focal length changes with medium. If medium changes, automatically focal length also changes. What is meant by focal length? You are aware of it. The distance between pole. The distance between pole and focus is called nothing but a focal length. This focal length always changes with medium. What is meant by medium? Medium means which is occupied by molecules. Example, air is a medium, water is a medium, glass is a medium, prism is a medium, wood is a medium. Everything in this universe is a medium except vacuum. Now, this medium, if medium changes, automatically focal length also changes. That we have to prove it. Now the question will be like this: is the focal length changes with medium? This is the question they ask in. This is class 10, chapter 4, refraction of light. Refraction of light. Is focal length changes with medium? Focal length changes with medium. This is the question. Is focal length changes with medium? Answer is yes. Answer is yes. Is focal length changes with, is focal length of lens changes with medium? Yes. If medium changes, focal length of lens also changes. How can you prove it? That is important activity that we will see now. Now, first take one convex lens. Aim any experiment. First of all, aim to prove that focal length. To prove that focal length of lens changes with medium. To prove that focal length of lens changes with medium. Yes, first point, aim to prove that focal length of lens changes with medium. What is the principle behind it? How can you prove that? On what basis you are saying focal length changes with medium? Because refractive index of mediums are different. Refractive index of air is different, refractive index of water is different, refractive index of glass is different, refractive index of each material is different. Of course, in some materials refractive index may be equal, that is exceptional case, but most of the materials has refractive index different values. If refractive index is different, the speed of light in medium also varies. If speed of light in medium varies, automatically what will happen? The speed also changes. If speed changes, automatically focal length also changes. Note down up to here. Focal length of lens changes with medium. Principle, refractive index of each material is different, each medium is different. Now procedure, we will see what are the material required. I am not going to write here, directly I will tell you the experiment. Now see children, take this is what a table. On this table place a black color stone, small stone. One small stone you take and keep it on the table. Observe it through the convex lens. This is called biconvex lens. Biconvex lens is also called converging lens. You observe from here. This is your eye. You observe from through this lens. You see this stone through this lens. Adjust the lens where you can see the clear object. Clear object enta దూరంలో కనబడుతుందో, you see that stone through this lens where clear object can be seen. Let this distance is 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter distance లో ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని నువ్వు క్లియర్ గా చూడగలిగావు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లెన్స్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్. వై? బికాస్ యూ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్ నో. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లెన్స్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్. Very simple children. Take a small stone, keep it on the table, see it through the given convex lens. Let adjust this lens where you could see the clear object. Let us consider you could see this stone at 10 centimeter distance it is clear. This is called focal length of lens in air. Now take a glass tumbler, one long glass tumbler you take. Sir, what should be the height of this tumbler? Let us consider this focal length is 10 centimeter. Nearly 4 times the height of the glass tumbler must be nearly 4 times of the focal length in air. Ikkada focal length of lens in air is 10 centimeter, so approximately you have to take 40 centimeter length glass tumbler. This is what length of the glass tumbler is 40 centimeter. 4 times of the focal length. Focal length in air is 10 centimeter. దీనికి 4 times. 4 into 10, 40. Nearly the height of the glass tumbler must be 4 times of the focal length in air. Now, this glass tumbler completely fill it with water. Again, keep the stone inside the water. Simply you drop the stone inside the water. Now, again same lens you use, but the lens holder must be in this shape. This lens, through this lens again you see this stone. This is what your eye. If you see this stone through this lens, adjust this lens where you could see the clear stone. Again note down the distance. Note down the distance between lens and stone. What is the length of the stone? Let it be 15 centimeter or 20 centimeter. That means this is what focal length of lens in air. This is what focal length of lens in, this is focal length of lens in air. This is focal length of lens in, this is water, no? So this is focal length of lens in water. Why? Because lens is immersed in water. So this is what focal length of lens in water. This is focal length of lens in air. Is these two values are same? Definitely not. This is 10 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter. ఈ రెండు వాల్యూస్ డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి. ఎందుకని? బికాస్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఇన్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. వై డిఫరెంట్ సార్? వై? బికాస్ ద బెండింగ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఇన్ ఎయిర్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్, ద బెండింగ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఇన్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ డిఫరెంట్. That means the bending of light is simply called refraction. The refractive index of light in air is different, the refractive index of light in water is different. If medium changes, refractive index also changes. Refractive index formula you know very well, C by V, speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in medium. If medium changes, refractive index changes. Refractive index changing means the speed of light in two different mediums also changes. If speed of light changes, automatically the focal length also changes. This is what important activity. Please prepare carefully. Once again I will tell you in a simple manner. Aim to prove that focal length of lens changes with medium. Principle: refractive index of different materials are different. Material required: one small stone, convex lens, meter scale. To measure the distance we need a meter scale. One glass tumbler, water, lens holder, this L shape lens holder, again meter scale. These are the material required. Procedure: place the stone on the table and observe it, see it through the given convex lens. Adjust this lens up and down where you could see the clear object. That means most accurate, that means more clear image, where clear object can be seen. Note down the distance. Let the distance is 10 centimeter in air. This is called focal length of lens in air. Now take a glass tumbler. Its height must be 4 times of the focal length in air. Let it be 40 centimeter. Fill it with water. Again immerse the stone inside the water. Now immerse a given lens, same lens you keep it in this kind of holder. Immerse in the water. Again see the stone where clear object can be seen, where clear stone can be seen. Again note down the distance between stone and lens. This is called focal length of lens in water. Definitely these two values are not equal because refractive index of two different materials are different. Understand children? This is what important long question in class 10. Is the focal length of lens is same in all mediums means? No, definitely not. How can you prove this means? This is what important activity. Prepare well. Any doubts, write in comment section. All the best. God bless you.